Maybe you were at the business. You have a job that you have. Or you have the capital. But you need the answer. At the job. In your marriage. In every situation. We need the answer. If God tells us to pray, we call him. He will respond. He is promising the answer. There are conditions that happen when we need the response. You may go to your friend and you seek for knowledge. As things are hard, things are not moving smoothly. You only need the answer. But we need the wisdom. He has given us the opportunity to talk to us. The answer exists. They told us the answer exists. It exists. And it will. And what pleased me, that maybe what you need, it is not the same as your friend. Maybe for your friend is another, and even yours is different. It means you're not going to fight for that. Amen. So you may take yours to another person, and then another person brings you. He was saying, then I said, maybe that's where the money entered. Because you may be not in need of something, and maybe what I have, you don't need it. But when you know what you have, where it is, maybe what you have is what I want. If I give you money, you give me what I want. Even if you can't get what you want from another place, and sometimes what I have is what you want, and what you want, and what I have is what you want, and what you want is what I have. Now we just exchange. So as those things are there is someone who has all, and it is God. Amen. It is God. Maybe I don't have what you want. What I mean when the rich person doesn't have it. Because you may say, I shall go to that rich person. I have what he wants, and that is energy. It is your knowledge. But he doesn't want. But God, if we go to him, we respond. No matter you have knowledge or not, no matter you have energy or not, but if you approach him, the answer is there. Tell your neighbor, to God, the answer is there. Colossians 1:16-17. He told us everything is in God. Everything is in him. Everything is in him. For you to see what you need, they told us you need knowledge. So now the Bible tells us the one who lacks knowledge, pray to God who never fails to give. You may find that what you want is before you. It is behind you. It is in the dust where you pass. But you need knowledge. So now tell your neighbor, pray for the knowledge. Maybe in your business you need an answer. But when the knowledge comes, you are going to benefit many times. If you don't know how they do things, you don't know how you can prepare your church. You don't know how you can prepare your business. But you only need knowledge. Amen. We need knowledge from God. We need revelation. Say, God, I need a revelation. It pleased me that the person who covered it, he covered it from there. Maybe sometimes you bypass it, but you need a revelation from God, so I may get my response. Maybe it is around me. So how am I going to get it? He said, seek for me. Tell your neighbor, God calls us to seek for him. God calls you to seek him, for he has your answer. You can touch your neighbor and say, maybe you don't know that God has your answer. He's the one who created you. He knows what you want. Don't cry alone. Go